She's got the spices, working hard, she's never gonna quit. Hearts bubbling like a cauldron, the aroma fills the room.
This is my nice fresh piece of beef, guys.
Every scar only made you strong, not hard.
This is all the powder season that you will need, or you can just use anything that you have at home. About a tablespoon of vinegar. If you have browning, a pinch of browning. So guys, this is my first season, some red onion and some fresh thyme. Now we're gonna put a little vinegar, just a pinch. Pinch of salt for taste, not too much, because you know most of the season have a lot of salt. And browning, that will do it. All right guys, so I'll go ahead and give it a good stir. So guys, will go ahead and pour in my fresh season. Now I'm gonna cover this for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, let's get cooking. We're gonna add some garlic butter. So this is my garlic butter and a pinch of oil. This is my oil, guys. We're gonna make it hot for a little bit and we're gonna pour our meat in. So guys, you want to saute this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Keep it on low heat. Then after that, you want to pour some water in. Let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Keep it covered. Okay guys, so it's cooking really nice. It's cooking for around 20 minutes. So now I'm going to pour in my rest of my fresh season. And then cook it for another 5 minutes and remove it from the stove. Looks really good, guys. Really good. Look at this. This is the rest of the fresh season.
You've come so far. Look at who you are. Every tear, every scar only made you strong, not hard.